In this video, we are going to discuss about the Authenticator applications. For the authentication purposes, two-factor authentication specifically, there are a bunch of applications that are available on the Google Play Store or even on the Google Chrome and Internet. So here you guys can see that there is Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, two-factor authenticator. But for me, I have been using an application on the Google Chrome which says Authenticator itself. And along with me, there are other 7 million people who have been using this application without any sort of privacy issue. So I have installed the extension over here just for you a tutorial purpose, so I can show you guys how it's been done. So just click on the extension. Here you will see two different sorts of options, and on the left hand side there is a setting option, which obviously comes with advisor, permissions, backup, security, sync with Google option preferences, and all that. If you want to sync the clock with the Google, you guys can do it as well. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and add an account just to show you guys how it's been done. So all you have to do is to go to the add button over here, and then either you guys can scan a QR code, add a manual entry, import a QR image, or import OTP URLs. So I'll prefer you guys that if you don't have an integrated camera, with your system, go with the manual entry option. So here, all you have to do is to name for the application that you want to use it for the two-factor authentication. For example, if I have an account of Instagram and I want to, use this application for the two-factor authentication, I will just name it Instagram. And here I'll just put the security key for the security purposes. I cannot show you guys exactly the security key, but here comes the username for the period, how long it's gonna be, the digits for the code, and then the algorithm. And then you just say okay, and then all you have to do is to click on the button, and then it will be stored. This is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.